Media and friend. My name is Shukriya binti Ahmad Yusri.
My name is Nur Syaratai binti Ahmad Zalhuddin. As you know, UUM is one of the famous university in the forest and also known as the top green university in the world. And UUM Sintok campus has a beautiful nature.
There are more places that can be visited in the UUM. We choose the famous place in the UUM. First, Hidden Lake and Pokok Tiga Beradik. The theme we choose is Discover Nature in UUM.
Let's go! Okay, we arrived at Lapang Sasa.
Hi you all. Okay, we use this road to go to the Hidden Lake. Let's go! Can you see? There are too many ways to go to the Hidden Lake. Okay, we use this path to go to the Hidden Lake. Okay, let's go, friend. Hey, shut up!
Finally, we arrived at Sintok Lake, or we call
Hidden Lake! We meet to investigator here. We want to interview them about the Hidden Lake. Okay. Come here.
hello, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So, I'm sorry, but we want to ask more questions about Hidden Lake.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Is this recording or what?
yes, recording.
Okay.
For our assignment.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, so first question, how many times do you come to Hidden Lake?
Actually, Hidden Lake is near at my Inasis. I'm staying at YB. So, at the evening, we currently come here a few times. Maybe in a week, maybe around 2-3, right?
For the evening, what's your activity you do here?
I'm like photography, so I'm just come here. Eventually, memang as we shoot some scene, and then as you can see, I just taking what we call it.
Okay, we understand.
You understand.
So, what your first impression when you come to Hidden Lake?
Oh, first impression. Actually, for the first time I come here, I see, wow, this is give me goosebumps. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I wow, it's so nice here. So I see it's this one of the best scene in the UM.
Okay. That's all.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Sintok Lake, or we call as Hidden Lake, one of the famous places in UUM, also include in Discover in UUM 2016.
Okay, for our first experience, the road to the Hidden Lake is a little bit challenging for us because the place is in the jungle, but
It's tired and worth.
hello.
We arrived our last destination, pokok tiga beradik, or the scientific name Tetrameles nudiflora.
Okay, so let's explore.
Let's go!
Pokok tiga beradik is only can found in Asia. One of them is in hutan Sintok.
Camera, come forward. Okay, I will show you all pokok tiga beradik. The shape of pokok tiga beradik is like triangle. Okay, 1, 2, and lastly 3. Can you see them? There.